lecture, we are going to discuss about teeth. Teeth help us to eat food. Strong, clean and healthy teeth make us look attractive. We chew, bite and grind our food with the help of our teeth. Thus, teeth also help in our digestion. Types of teeth. Have you looked at your teeth carefully in the mirror? We have 4 different kinds of teeth in our mouth. They have different shapes and different uses. Incisor. Look at your front teeth carefully. We use incisor teeth for cutting and biting our food. They are also called cutting teeth. We have 4 incisors in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Canines. We have 4 pointed and sharp teeth next to the incisor. We have 2 canines in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. We use canine teeth for biting our food, but some animals like dogs have long canine teeth which they use for tearing flesh. They are also called tearing teeth. Premolars. They are flat teeth located next to the canine. They are used to chew the food. There are 4 premolars in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Molars. The molars or grinding teeth have flat surface than the premolars. They have flat, broad upper surfaces to grind the food as we chew. There are 6 molars in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. 2 more molars grow in each jaw later. Structure of a tooth. A tooth has 2 main parts, the crown and the root. The crown is the part of the tooth that is visible above the gum. The root is the region of the tooth that is present below the gums. It holds the tooth firmly. The surface of a tooth is made up of the hardest substance in our body known as the enamel. Below the enamel, the layer present is called dentine. It is slightly softer than the enamel. The soft portion present inside the dentine contains nerves and blood vessels. This soft portion is known as the pulp. As we can see, the shape of crown is different in each type of teeth. Incisor, canine, premolars and molars. Tooth decay. It is important to look after our teeth. We should keep our teeth, gums and mouth clean so that we can prevent cavities. Cavities can cause toothache. We must brush our teeth every day. When we eat, small particles of food get stuck between our teeth. Germs start growing on these food particles. A thin sticky layer of germs is called plaque. Germs grow in our mouth, produces plaque on teeth and around the gums. This produces acids that affect the teeth and the gums. It may cause small holes in the enamel. Later, germs enter through the hole and cause tooth decay. This may cause severe pain. If we leave it unattended, the tooth can even fall down. Tooth decay causes severe problems such as toothache, bleeding of gums, yellow teeth and bad teeth. Taking care of teeth and gums. Brush your teeth regularly every morning and before going to bed at night. Gently brush each side of teeth and the gums. Don't eat too many sweets, chocolates and toffees. Avoid drinking too much aerated drinks. If you do, rinse your mouth immediately. Eat green leafy vegetables and fibrous food in enough quantity. Go to a dentist every 6 months for dental checkups. Don't share a brush with others, it may spread germs. Use a good quality toothpaste and toothbrush to brush your teeth. Thank you.